Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah. I've got a very fast craft for you today. It's not even going to take 5 minutes. And I'm doing a voiceover because we're in lockdown. The family is everywhere, upstairs, downstairs, in my lady's chamber. So anyway, let's get on with it. And I'm going to be showing you today how to make a British Christmas cracker. Essential for a British Christmas. We normally buy ours, but this year I'm giving them a go at making them myself with bits and bobs we have lying around the house. Super simple to make. You can make them any size that you like, but I'll give you a quick rundown. So what are we going to need? Some toilet roll innards or kitchen roll, whatever you've got, and some Christmas snaps. Now, if you can't get these, don't worry, but these have got a wee bit of firework inside and then they go bang when you pull them apart. Don't worry if you don't have them. Crackers are fun without. Some sellotape and a pair of scissors, string or ribbon, and any kind of offcuts of paper that you've got. I'm just showing you here with some wrapping paper, but maybe you've got some old magazines, some glossy magazines, just whatever you have lying around. So, and the size of paper you're going to need just enough to go around the toilet roll or the kitchen roll. That's about that size. And I've taken the snap, and what I do is I fix it at either end just to secure it. And remember, don't worry if you don't have these snaps, you don't need them. And I'm just using a wee bit of tape. You could also staple them in, just anything to stop them from moving around. And then I've taken a toilet roll and cut it into half. And I'm putting a half on each end. And you'll see why in a minute. Now, if you've got four hands are better than two at this. So if you can get somebody to help you at this stage, just roll it round. And then we're going to use a wee piece of sellotape in the middle to fasten it. And then also at each end to secure that. There we go. 1, 2, 3. So we've got it in the middle and at each end. And then if you just kind of push it in slightly. Hold on, let me just I'm just showing you with a wee bit of this ribbon. Remember, just use whatever you've got. Kitchen string, leftover ribbon. If you just push it in slightly, you'll see there's a kind of natural area where you'll be able to tie it. And then we're just going to secure that there. Remember, you can make these as fancy as you like. I'm just showing you a very quick version. And then pull that to secure it. And you may find that your snap is a wee bit long. That's all right. You can just trim that off. There we go. Voila. And then at this point, you can remove the half piece of toilet roll. At this point, you've got to make sure to put your gift or whatever you want to put inside before you secure it. Now, usually in Britain, you will get like a little paper hat or some kind of funny joke, a little gift. Maybe you want to put in a wrapped sweet, I don't know, a nail varnish, some kind of small gift. We added in a little sleigh bell to ours, makes a nice little noise inside. Again, just push it a wee bit and you'll see the natural area where you can secure it and tie it up with a wee bit of ribbon or string, whatever you've got. Voila, and Bob's your uncle. There you've got your basic cracker. So I'm just going to trim off the end again. There we are. And take out the little half toilet roll that you've got. That's just really to help you to make them. And then, you know, if you wanted, you can also curl up the ends. All I did with this one was slice into the end, not all the way in, with a pair of scissors. And you can go crazy with the decorations. Maybe you've got some old scraps that you want to stick on them. Add in a wee bit of greenery, you know, just let the kids go absolutely crazy. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that little demonstration. And listen, if you're on Instagram, hashtag Diane in Denmark, show me what you have done with your crackers or what you have put inside them. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. And I shall give you a wee pom-pom salute with a rah, 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 and I'll see you soon. You ready? Okay, here we go. I should be doing an ASMR video. Here we go with the cracker. You ready? Okay, and whoa! You know, I may be 53 years old, but I still love the sound of crackers. And